Primary cables, which distribute electricity at high voltages, are prone to failures due to manufacturing defects, aging, or environmental factors. Traditional cable repair methods can be time-consuming, expensive, and sometimes require excavation. Silicon cable injection is an innovative repair method that addresses insulation deterioration in primary cables caused by manufacturing defects or age-related degradation. The process involves several steps. Firstly, locate and isolate the failed section of the cable. Secondly, pump nitrogen gas into the cable to displace any air or moisture. Thirdly, install special elbows with tube fittings at both ends of the cable. Fourthly, connect a pump to one end of the cable and a vacuum to the other. Pump silicone liquid into the cable's stranded core. Fifthly, energize the cable while continuing to pump the silicone liquid. Sixthly, maintain a vacuum on the opposite end of the cable for 60 days to draw additional silicone liquid into the core. There are several benefits to this method. Silicone liquid fills the voids and imperfections in the insulation, restoring its integrity and preventing future failures. The silicone liquid increases the cable's physical strength and resistance to mechanical damage. The restored insulation significantly extends the lifespan of the cable, avoiding premature replacement. Silicon cable injection eliminates the need for excavation and extensive cable replacement, saving time and cost. Silicon cable injection is suitable for repairing primary cables up to 500 feet in length with manufacturing defects or age-related insulation degradation. It is particularly effective for cables that are directly buried. Silicon cable injection is a groundbreaking repair technique that offers significant benefits in terms of restoring cable integrity, extending lifespan, and reducing repair costs. By using silicone liquid to fill insulation voids and restore electrical properties, primary cables can be efficiently and effectively repaired, ensuring reliable power distribution. This concludes the explanation of the silicon cable injection method.